Let me message. Okay, fine. It's a choice. Now, first of all, we'll take suppose A is equal to 4.5. So A is what type? Float. How to check what type it is? Printer type of A. Clear scheme, run the code. What type it is? Float. Okay. Suppose this float is what? Now A is what type again? String. Can I now directly convert into integer? Not possible. When a float is having, when a string is having a float value, directly converting to int is not possible. So run once, not possible. So what I have to do? First take a variable b, then convert into what type? Float. Float of a. Now the answer float value will be shown in the value what? B. Now I can convert to what type? Integer. So if I convert to integer now, what is the answer now? 4. Lengthy way na? Yes or no? One value there, okay. Tomorrow 4, 5, 6 values comes. Like this A, B, again B, again C, D, E. He'll say, Arey, what are you doing? He'll say. Okay. Because yesterday I was week off. I was doing the same thing. What I'm just saying you now. Not this Python, SQL I'm talking about. Same names are there. I'm taking again A, then B, then C, then D. He's asking me, why taking this many names? One way, write the code over khatam. Now if I know, I'll do. If I don't know, same. B, C, D will take. Okay, everything that is a common thing. Remember. Now let us do that float once. Suppose B is A is equal to what now? 4.5. What I'll do? Suppose print round of A. Round of A. Clear scheme. Run the code. Answer came a type error. Type string doesn't define round method. Okay. So suppose directly we just have here what now? 4.5. Because if I having the string will not convert. So A is what type now? Float. Rounding up to what now? I didn't mention there. Round up just what I wrote there? A. Run once. What came there? 4. Suppose this I'll store in a variable called as B. Storing in a variable called as B. Now print type of B. What will be the B type?
Integer.
Which type? Integer. If you want, you can type like this also. B comma type of B. B will give me what? What is the value stored in the B? That answer will come. Comma will give me a space. Then what type it is. So run the code. See difference between the previous answer and this answer. Previously I got what type it is. Now I got the value of B space what type it is. But for one value, okay. But if I have multiple values, difficult. Example 4.5, then 7.8, 2 values now. Example. How many values now? 2 values. Now run the code again. Working there?
No.
That is why we are taking this square box. Square box is nothing but what? Square bracket is nothing but list. Okay. Now let us see this one there. Let me delete everything. Because round means I think you got the idea. Round what will do? Point value will be what? Ignored, just taken the before the point value there. One more will do. Suppose B is equal to 9.9. 9.9. Print round of B. What will come now? 9 or 10? Previously also same thing or different thing? Previously. No, round you have to understand. Yes or no? Why? Suppose if I keep a 9.4 now.
9.
Other two people got it or not? 1, 2, 3. How? Tell me. Okay. Because it's a basic. We don't know example. Don't again basic means are a depressed 5th class topic over. We don't know again. We don't know anything. School what we have studied, we don't know. Okay. No, we don't know basic max. I don't know max only. Okay. We'll think like we don't know max only. Because actual max is this max. I'm telling you. The what are the max you have 10 till now is 0. If you're referring max, suppose anyone says they're good in mathematics, na? I just tell them, solve one sum, then I'll say you're perfect in mathematics. Different topics will be there. Okay. Now you'll be able to understand and do a. Okay, this is the actual mathematics which will be having for data science people. That's why I never recommend data science. You learn Python, you learn everything. Now people will plan for data science. I'll say, what is your level capacity? Understand first, because you have to be very good in mathematics to become a data scientist. If your mathematics basics are not strong, then it's no way chance of becoming a data scientist. Your basic mathematics should be very clear. Geometric progression, arithmetic progression, those all things will come under picture. I'm saying you. Whatever you have done from 3rd class, 5th class, whatever you have done, those everything concept will come. Probability, statistics, height, distances, trigonometry, every concept will come. Again, you'll feel like wrong step I have taken in my life. You want to drop. In a data science, suppose 50 students have taken the course, only 5 students will be there in the last. 50 students have taken the course. 45 students will drop out. Okay. People who have taken coaching will understand. Who have not taken coaching will never understand. So when we are having a values like below 0.5, I'm getting the answer as what? 9. But when I have 9.5, 9? Okay. So below 9.5, below 0.5, before values will come like 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 to 10, what will come? Next value. Next, we'll take up the next value, which is having like what? Again, this concept is having like a seal and floor. Okay. Print seal. Seal means up or down. You're all living in house or not?
Ceiling.
Then you're saying down. Now doing something, don't just confuse, okay? Import math after this, okay? Seal up means up or down? Seal.
Up.
Ceiling means ceiling. Up. Okay. So seal of what? 9.5. What is value coming there? 10. When I say suppose floor.
No.
Run once. Okay. Because wrong if you only study, for example, you learn and go in the exam A plus B, tomorrow suppose C plus D comes in. Don't. So we have going to round, we have, that's why I said basic mathematics are all coming into picture here. Okay. But as of now, we are going to watch just to watch strings now. What topic now? Strings. So focus on that one. Let me remove these things because you may get confused. So below 9.5, we'll take up the previous value, 9 will come. After 0.5, we'll take up the next value. Okay. Suppose if I have 9.0, what is the answer will come now? 9. Got it now? If 9.6, 10. Run once. Okay. So same thing he had done here. He have taken the A is equal to some values 1, 2.0, minus 3.4, 3.6. 1 will come as what? First of all, open the pen. Yeah, 1 will come as what? 1. 2.0 will come as what? Because something around there. So 2. 3 minus 3.4 value? Okay, minus. 3.6 is what? So now run once. Okay. So this many methods we are having to convert. If the list is having a strings, how to convert to integer? This is the ways. How many ways you are having now? 5. In this, suppose if I have to teach only one way, then because normally one way only possible in a class. Example, one way only possible. Like how mathematics, one exercise problem done, or one example problem done, solve 10 questions and come in the exam. Mathematics faculty, other faculty I don't know. Mathematics is the same. I have seen every faculty same. In mathematics, no faculty is different faculty. Okay. One example problem will say, But reality, I think so. One exam problem is equal to 10 programs, 10 problems.
Homework.
But here in Python, I cannot say. I cannot say. Why? Each and every method is same or different?
Different.
First way is different, second way is different, third way is different, fourth way is different, fifth way is different. But in this, you can go for anyone. You can go for anyone. But when you're doing now, because now you're making a file, you're having a time, you don't have any job or anything to do now. Right? So this kind of files you keep ready when you're having the exams or anything there, or when you're a project, that time you need to again Google like everything. Because you're having a GitHub, we will be showing these programs. Whenever you want, you can refer back and get the answers. Okay. So in this way, you have to create the files, everything. Okay. So now again coming back here, fine. We open the code gripper. So all are available here. First way, second way, third way, fourth way, fifth way. This is using the map. Okay. Different methods will be available. Because this kept on what? Excuse me. Okay. 2 years ago.
1 year. 2 years. 1 year. 1 year. 2 years.
Latest one?
No
No one. Why no one? You don't want to keep. Okay. You can upload, but what will upload new? All tricks, whatever the tricks are there, they'll be shown there. So some way, suppose you found a new way of your technique. Example, by your technique, you found a new way. That time you can make an account in the, by signing up account in the code gripper, then you can write the code and keep it there. Okay, because in the company, I'm telling you, especially high-fi companies will be using code gripper only. High-fi companies will be using what? Code gripper. Okay, which many people don't know in the company, or many students don't. 95% people don't know. Okay, so whenever I am stuck in the Python, I highly recommend using what? Code gripper. One is code gripper, then go to W3 schools. At the starting, okay, we are having multiple websites. Now when I say multiple websites, what happened? Here one topic, that one topic, one topic there. Okay, not that way. That is not the correct way. First, W3 schools, because you've done the W3 school string methods. If not done, first to come to the topic, first of all, the topics. Then come to here. Okay, then this will give you a proper understanding what you're trying to code. Okay, suppose today is our 50th day. Okay, 30th day, 40th day, whatever day it is. Okay, suppose CodeChef Python practice. This is what in top colleges they need to do. In top colleges means what? Here in Hyderabad, if I just say 2 colleges only. One is CBIT, another is what? CVR. Other colleges namesake Patrak. Okay. So when I open this one, practice easy. Now I won't do anything. This shall show people who have done the code. Okay. We're having all submissions over here. Suppose beginner will be having picking up 2 programs, any program. Okay. Python practice. Let me just once.
Okay.
Okay, pick up anything, we'll pick up anything by basics. Strings, strings, yeah, strings. Okay, something, the block game. Now click on what here below, you'll be having the submissions. This is the only thing we don't like. Submissions or solution. Okay, other solutions, others solutions. Okay, because previously they modified this website. The website have been modified because every day it is like previously it used to take 1 year. Something new is not 1 year or 2 years will take then to update. But now anything new coming, Second day tomorrow or by evening, they're updating the website also. So suppose here we want to just find the solution in what, which language? Python, because you'll be having different languages, C++, Sharp, C Sharp, other languages. Language, Python 3. PYTH3 means what? Python 3. Go. Just 2 hours ago, one person called us. Yes, Sahini has done the program. Let us see how they have done the program. Okay, because you have to understand the total code, something they have written the block game for which program, total this, have to copy paste, then understand the program, then write the code. But both people, they do the code in this way. Similarly, if I go back to practice, maybe there or not there, I don't know. Beginner level only, basic programming. Trying to show you basic, very basic. Very old it is, okay, still okay. Like this code will be there. This is the actual coding. But to do this coding, because again I'm saying you, this kind of coding that will not be there in a high exam. Because this is for people who are in IIT, NIT, or these two colleges, CBIT or CVR. In other colleges or in my college or any college, you won't do this one. Okay, because suppose if we are having, that's I'm telling you, GitHub is the most efficient one. Because tomorrow, if I am going to example today, I went to interview. Okay, from where you have learned the Python? So answer institute. Okay. What is the proof? Okay, W3 schools programs have done, so answer topics have done. Okay, fine. How many ratings you have? Which ratings? I don't work in Swiggy, I don't work in Zomato. So which ratings you're talking? Okay, so your rating indicates to hacker rank. Indicates to what? Hacker rank. So in again hacker rank, you're going to solve at least 10 programs. How many programs? 10, easy only. Okay, 10 programs. Hacker rank Python, basic program. Can't you type hello world program? Basic, because just in the starting part, that's why I'm showing you. List, tuples, swap case है ना? Upper case will come in lower case will come in upper case. Same. Okay, because what you're doing, you should have a thing. Because where again I'll be using the code there or not there in the exam will come or not come. Now when I show that, don't directly jump. First cover the basics, code gripper, then come to this. This is the thing which are going to follow the upcoming days. And this thing you can't again expect from me. You have to make a proper plan. 1 hour I'll do code gripper, because I told starting day. At least how many hours you have to dedicate for Python? 8. In 8 again I know. 1 hour phone has something, at least 5 hours you pick up. How many at least? 5 hours. 1 hour I'll check for 1 hour for W3 schools. 1 hour code gripper. 1 hour what topic I have taught. 1 hour then hacker. This 4 way you do na, I'm guaranteed sure you'll get a better job than what I have. But if you're not having in this way, tomorrow or the other, you'll be having a problem. Getting content you get pakka, I know. But after joining, again problem. Okay. So it is your choice. You want to do in this way, hard work, or simple, sir, that much I can't dedicate. Easy way you want means what I'm telling you that you do it. W3 schools you do it. Hacker rank 10 programs. Enough. Now, who are looking for high package, for them this again things comes. Code gripper comes, code chef comes, different things comes. Okay, because I cannot expect all to be at same level of understanding. Now, example, this topic what I have shown now, I can expect only 1 or 2 students have understood now. 1 or 2 students, all understood. Because each and every person is having a different level of thinking that you have to understand first of all. You should not compare yourself with other people again. If compare and done na, then you would not be here first of all sitting over here, you would be in IIT college. Yes or no? So where you have to be, already God has decided. You are nowhere, I'm nowhere, no one knows. Tomorrow you will come or not come, instead I don't know. Tomorrow I'll come, don't not come, don't know. So don't think about the future, don't think about the past. Today done, topic done, practice it, that's it. And one thing last, I'm telling you, are living for your parents' sake only. You're not living here for life partner or past. Why you want job? Simply think on why you want job.
Family.
Which family? Upcoming family or present family? Because if, for example, mother, father died, example, property there. By selling that property, you get at least 50 lakhs. Now you want to work for 50 lakhs. Example, your salary is 10K, you want to work. No, 50 lakhs is there, easily can survive, I can say. Okay, so one thing keep in mind, yes, just doing learning, coding, anything for the parents' sake, start. That motto is not there, then I don't think anything is possible. Okay. Yeah, one thing